The acrobatics online course for developing countries started for the first time in North China's Woochiao County, known as the Chinese hometown of acrobatics. Chinese acrobatics students and their teachers demonstrated the training. About 42 acrobatic students in Laos and Cambodia attended the course through the high-definition live stream. The online acrobatic training lasts for 3 months. Hebei Woochiaou Acrobatic Art School dispatched 10 professional teachers to give lessons online. In 2002, China began to recruit the first batch of foreign students in developing countries to promote the exchange and mutual learning of acrobatic art. More than 500 acrobatics talents from 40 countries and regions have enrolled in the training course in the past 19 years.